The next pack of new features will cover the concrete design modules of RC1 for the design of reinforced concrete plates, RC2 for the design of reinforced columns and beams, and RC3 for punching analysis of RC slabs. Starting with RC1, in the X7 R3, now it is adjustable which components of crack width limitations should be considered during nonlinear analysis. In previous versions, only the crack check itself could be turned on or off. From now, crack widths in individual directions and positions can be limited as well. These components are the limitations of the crack width in top and bottom extreme concrete layer, top and bottom axis of the reinforcement. Turning a limiting factor will mean that the required amount of reinforcement will be calculated to satisfy the setting. Second new feature regarding to RC1 is that in the table browser, additional data stored in the tables of RC design. This means now there are individual columns in the tables for external and internal concrete cover values, so X and Y directions, top and bottom for each domain, crack width limitations values, bottom and top, and in the axis of the reinforcement in the extreme concrete layer. These can be seen here. The last new feature in RC1 is that the option to ask for the envelope of the calculated and actual reinforcement values to be taken into account in the nonlinear static analysis. In previous versions, this was an either choice, controlled by radio buttons. From X7 R3, they can be switched individually on or off with dedicated checkboxes for each. This way, if both option is turned on, even on those domains where actual reinforcement is not applied, the calculated reinforcement will still be taken into consideration during the nonlinear analysis. In other words, if both checkboxes are turned on, an envelope of reinforcements from actual and calculated values will be compiled for slabs which have actual reinforcements, and calculated reinforcement will be even applied for those which has no actual reinforcements assigned to them. It can be properly seen in this example model that each possible nonlinear analysis has been executed. The three options can be read on the drop-down tab: with actual reinforcement, with calculated reinforcement, and finally with the envelope of reinforcements.